Well, hey, from Wilderness Lodge at Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. We're here. Right behind me are the Copper Creek Villas, a brand new section here, completely new, renovated, a space where a couple of days before the thing starts, I've invited one of my good friends who happens to be over here, the one, the only, C. McNair Wilson.
I know a guy.
McNair, would you tell us what you did in your former life?
Yeah, I was a Sunday school teacher, and I was a Disney Imagineer, and worked on several projects like Pleasure Islands, Disney MGM Studios, from a blank piece of paper to opening day. And when we were adding Sunset Boulevard, said we need something at the end. Long story short, Michael Eisner gave me Mel Brooks and my team of knuckleheads, and we thought it'd be a good idea to strap people into a rusty elevator and drop them 13 stories.
Fantastic. So right here on the days, 2 days before, on the Wednesday before the thing, so the 16th of May, we're going to do something very special called the whiteboard sessions. The whiteboard session, we're going to get started in the morning. We'll have lunch together. And throughout the day will be your chance to dream with us. We want you to have complete control over the whiteboard. We're going to talk about your ideas, your visions, your stories, your brands. And throughout the day, we're going to help you develop that idea, help you put meat on the bones, use the process that McNair actually taught at Disney University called
The 7 Agreements of Brainstorming. It's in my book, Hatch, Brainstorming Secrets of the Theme Park Designer. But think, not only will we be working on your idea, but we'll be working on your idea with both of us and a small herd of others who have great ideas and want to take them to the next level. Or maybe it's something you're already doing and you need to redesign it, to tweak it, or to knock it down and rebuild it in a more outstanding way. And we'll spend a day doing that together, just a particular group of folks.
Yeah, this is just a real small handful. We're in a beautiful brand new villa, so it's a luxury place. We're gonna bring in lunch, probably go to dinner, maybe do some amazing things. Literally right behind us, overlooking a wonderful Bay Lake here at the Walt Disney World Resort. It'll be a great time for you to get your idea kind of next leveled.
Absolutely.
And a lot of us have ideas that we have a part of an idea, but you don't have the complete idea, or you have an idea that's stuck and you don't know how to really make it great.
Or it's not stuck, it's ready to go, but you're afraid to launch. And we'll show you how to prep for launch. And the other people there say, it's a great idea, let's launch, let's go.
One of the favorite things McNair and I have talked about is the conversation he had with Mr. Dan Cathy of the Chick-fil-A company. And they were talking about books, and it was the book Good to Great was brought up. And you said,
I've never read it. I'm not interested in a book that stops at great. And I said to Dan, neither are you. Chick-fil-A is always going past great. What's after great?
And so we're going to help you answer that question. We're going to help you get your idea, your vision, your story, your brand, your project, your launch from good to great and far beyond that. So come join us at the thing in Orlando for the whiteboard session day. It's whiteboard session because we're starting with a blank canvas and we're all going to paint on it together.
And don't be afraid that either your idea is too small, too normal, too old-fashioned. Any idea, any project, any brand or rebranding is something we want to work with you on. And I assure you that the tools you'll learn, you'll take back and apply to a whole bunch of other projects.
Fantastic. Well, we will see you in May at the thing.